Okay. So for this, I'm gonna be putting in my shrimp. Follow the cook, guys. Just put in my shrimp. Turn up the heat a bit. Just toss it a bit. Yeah, get that.